Hello students, today we will study EVS chapter 22 of class 5th on the move again. This chapter is based on a life of a boy named Dhanu. Today all the relatives have come to Dhanu's house to celebrate the Shara. They have come with their luggage in their bullock carts. Dhanu's father is the eldest in the family, so all the festivals are celebrated in their house. Dhanu's mother means Ai, the wife of mother's brother Mami, and the wife of father's brother Kaki are busy making Puran Poli. Puran Poli is a sweet rotis made from jaggery and gram. Along with this, a spicy kadhi dish is also made. The day passes in laughing and chatting, but by evening everyone's mood changes. The women and children begin to pack their luggage. The man sit down with the Mukaddam for the meeting. The Mukaddam gives the detail of the loan taken by each family. Mukaddam is an agent who lends money. Then the talks for the next few months begins. Mukaddam explained to the villagers in which area they would go for the next 6 months. He also gave them some money as a loan for their expenses. Ever since Dhanu remembers, this has been the routine. Families like Dhanu's work on the lands of big farmers till Dasara, before the rainy season. Many other families also work on such lands. They earn just enough money to keep them going through these months. But how to manage the remaining 6 months when there is no rain and no work in the fields? So everyone borrows money from the Mukaddam. To pay back this money, they have to work for the Mukaddam. Mukaddam is an agent for sugarcane factories. He helps them to find work in sugarcane fields. Science can solve the problem faced by farmers. Nowadays, farming can be done even without rainwater. Various new methods of irrigation are such as wells, canal, wheels of water. Farmers can grow the crops all the year around due to these science inventions. In the next few months, Dhanu, his parents, his Kaki, and his 2 elder children, his Mama, Mami, and their 2 daughters, and 40-50 other families from the village will stay away from home. In these 6 months, Dhanu and many children like him will not able to go to school. Dhanu's old grandmother, aunt, who cannot see, and 2-month-old cousin sister would stay back in the village. In other homes too, the old and the ill people stay behind. Dhanu miss his grandmother a lot. Dhanu always keep wondering who will take care of his grandmother. But what can Dhanu do? The karma of these families would now settle near the sugarcane fields and sugar factories. For 6 months, they would stay in their huts made by dry sugarcane and its leaves. The men will get up early in the morning and go to sugarcane in the fields. The women and children tie the bundles of the sugarcane. Then the bundles are taken to the sugar factory. Dhanu often goes with his father. Sometimes they spend nights outside the factory on bullock carts. There Dhanu plays with the bullock carts and wanders around. The sugarcane can grow without rain. That's why when there is no rain, these people are doing work in the sugarcane factory. At the factory, Dhanu's father gets the sugarcane weighted and takes a receipt. They show this receipt to the agent, who then keeps an account of their loan. The agent also gives them some money for the next week expenses. Then Dhanu's Ai and Mami take the children to the nearby village market to buy atta, means flour, and oil for the next week. Sometimes Mami buys laddu and some sweets for the children. She also buys pencil and eraser and a notebook for Dhanu. After all, he is Mommy's favorite. But Dhanu won't be using these for 6 months because he won't be going to school. Mommy wants Dhanu to study and become someone in life. She doesn't want Dhanu to move around with his family like this. Mama and Mommy tell Dhanu's parents, next time when we leave our village after Dussehra, we will leave Dhanu with his Dadi and Chachi. He will go to school like other children in the village. He should study further and become somebody. There are many other people who have to stay away from their family members for many months to earn money. Students studying in boarding school, people who work in defense services live away from family, people who drive bus, car, train for long route are also away from the family. Business people travel a lot to meet clients. So I think students, you have understand the chapter carefully, study properly and take care.